Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you parameter upload or save from external keypad to EEPROM or in inverter control card in EVS9324 Lenze Servo drive. Okay, now I'm going to parameter. First press PRG switch, press, then left arrow user menu, then up arrow code list, then right arrow here 0002 to shift PRG, here select. Now it will be changed. I will go 20 shift and up arrow at the same time, press to go faster. Okay, 20 main code 0002 and subcode 20 to save the parameter from external to EEPROM. Press program or shift switch at the same time. Parameter saving from external keypad to EEPROM. Parameter upload is going. Done. External to EEPROM. To exit the parameter, PRG press. Okay, thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.